Hey everybody, this is Paul back out the shop. I've been cleaning my shop up a little bit. Clean this area up. This had a big shelf in it with all my chainsaws just set up here. But I got rid of all that. Give me about 5 more foot of floor space. Gotta do something else with my chainsaws. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe hang some hooks from the ceiling and have them hanging. But anyway, today we're working on the pit. I'm not doing it the right way really, but I got some old used teeth here I'm gonna put on my skid steer so I can dig in some dirt better. I'm just welding them on AC welder. It's kind of hard to weld them with the AC welder. It sucks. But one of these days I'm gonna get me a DC. I got 3 more to go and a half. Putting them on my Gale 4510, I think its numbers is. Hell, I don't remember what they are. It's either 4510. I think that's what it is. Yeah, 4510. I don't know how many horse this thing is. I think it's about 30, 35, 40 horse Ford motor in there. Unhook the battery when you weld on things, the negative, so you don't burn up your alternator. You burn your diode and rectifier out of your alternator if you don't unhook that. But there's my next project. Anybody want any old Chevy motor parts like out of the 70s and 80s? I got some really cheap. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Here's what it looks like now. It had the cutting edge ain't any good on it either or nothing, but I might put a picture on there when I'm all done. Maybe a little video, see how it digs. These teeth are hard to weld. They may break off. They'll either be good or they'll break off. They'll either be good or they'll break off. Ha! But my bucket ain't any good anyway, so I really don't care. Either old teeth, rusted out bucket. I'm gonna have to build a new one or buy one or something. I want to change this has got old style pins on it for a quick hitch, but I need to switch it all over like a modern skid steer. But if it don't make any money this summer, it's going down the road. I'll just use my tractor. Everybody, we'll talk to you later. Gotta go do a little dirt work today. Guess that's all I got to say right now. Okay.